It's your travel agent, David, and we just got here to the San Pedro Cruise Terminal. It's the World Cruise Terminal here in San Pedro near Long Beach. So if you're traveling with Royal, it's going to say Long Beach. It's actually San Pedro. So we're going to come on down in here and check it out. We're going to be passing a red tent. If you happen to forget your luggage tag, you come to this red tent first to get your tag, and then you can meet up with one of the porters and drop your bags off. So this is the red tent that you'll get your bags from. If you don't set up transportation on the cruise ship, they do have a taxi stand as soon as you come out. It'll be right by the red tent. It is $69 for a cab to LAX, $49 to Long Beach. So once your bags are tagged, look for the luggage drop off. You're going to want to drop it off there, find a porter, and then right in front of that is where the taxi stand is at. Then you're going to want to check in at the white tents. Now, if you're Pinnacle or a suite or have the key, you're going to have a special check-in area to the left of the tents. Now, at this port, Princess also docks here. So if you're traveling on Princess, you'll be able to come here as well. But I'm not going to walk all the way over there to check out their port because it's on the other side. But this is pretty much the port right here. So if you come in all the way down to the right, you're going to find the rideshare signs of private vehicles. So here's what that'll look like. You set up the bus with Royal Caribbean. You're going to come out. You're going to cross the first set of streets and go to the second curb. The second curb will be where the buses are lined up for you to get your shuttles to the airport. Now, if you get to the port earlier when you arrive, if you got some time, the next dock over from where you come in on the Royal ship is the USS Iowa. It is a battleship, and it has the unique distinction of being the only naval vessel with a bathtub. The bathtub was put in there because President Roosevelt, when he would travel to Europe, he would be on the Iowa, and because he was wheelchair bound, they had to put a bathtub in there for him. So he went on a secret mission across the Atlantic in this battleship. So just some little information about it. Not going to go into it too much. Just wanted to give you an idea of something that you can do to kill some time here, or you can plan on getting here a little early, check your bags, and go do a tour. Now, if you want to get a really good photo, you're going to want to be on the starboard side of the ship, the right side, because as you pull out, you're going to go right past it, and you'll be able to get a nice little shot of it. If you don't get it when you're coming or going out, you can get it when you're coming in. You just want to be on the port side. once you come through security, you're going to come through here. If you're a commoner like me and don't have the key or a suite or a pinnacle, you're going to come to the right. If you have the key or suite or a pinnacle, you're going to go to the left. The embarkation is pretty quick. I was in line maybe 2 minutes to check in, and then I waited maybe 5 minutes to start boarding the ship. So my boarding time is at 11 o'clock. It's 10:49, so we're doing pretty good. It's disembarkation day here at the San Pedro port. We're gonna go in. I'll show you where the bag pickup is, where the taxi and the bus pickup is, where Uber and Lyft is, and then from there you're on your own. When you get to this point, you'll find numbers that correspond with your baggage tag number, and the hunt begins from there. So we're getting off before the bags are off, but it's a good scavenger hunt. Well, that was easy. When we were here in May, they didn't have facial recognition cameras. So now they have 7 of them. When you come out, come to your right, you're going to see a sign for the Ubers and private pickup in front of Terminal 92, as well as taxis. They do have a special place for ADA pickup as well. Now, if you're going to the parking lot, airport transfers, shuttles, and tours, you're going to want to go to the first crosswalk and take a left and go across the street.